Yeah. I've been riding for about 3 years now. Started in September, and then I rode another 3 years after that. First bike was a Yamaha YZ250, two-stroke. It's a 2006. Very much a moto bike, and over the years I was able to turn it into a bit of a wood bike. My first dirt bike ride was the end of September. It was pretty slick out, and I've never ridden a dirt bike before. So between the combination of the mud and the aggressive two-stroke motorbike, it was made for a steep learning curve. As a novice rider, I found the bike very, very aggressive. I found I had to control the speed, and I had to control the bike with the clutch a lot. And yeah, I went through about 3 clutch cables over the course of two and a half seasons. The biggest aha moment I had was when I was riding with my buddy Alex and Julian. Went out riding, and there was a great climb. I've tried it 20, 30 times, never made it before. And then this time we went out, just the 3 of us. We came up to this crazy hill. It was had a steep section, steep, rooty, gnarly section where it flattened out on top, and then it had a second rooty corner with a almost vert section at the top. And I've never made it before, and yeah, I was able to make that successfully. First poke of the day. It was a good day.
Beat me. Can't fucking believe it!
One dirt biking clicked for me. I'd say I've been riding for about 4 months, and I've been working on hopping stumps and logs a lot. And then the one day it felt right. I was feeling lazy, and something just clicked. And after that, everything was worlds better, worlds easier. Scariest experience I had, I'd say, would be coming down some super shaly, steep pit-like material, and bike started getting carried away. Brakes weren't working very good, and just had to ride it out. I currently ride a 2016 Husqvarna TE300 two-stroke. Yeah, I find the Husky way more linear power compared to the YZ. Way more bottom end power, and overall way better for enduro and all the single track riding we do. Most enjoyable ride.
The one poke in the gym.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Some of the most enjoyable rides I've had have been out on Horling's Trail. Yeah, super flowy, a few technical sections, and it's been, that's probably my favorite trail and best days. Yeah, so I think the main difference for having a bike setup is having the soft rear tire for grabbing the rocks and the roots, and having a nice bottom end power with linear throughout to the top. Having a suspension that sucks up a lot of the big rocks that a guy goes over. So what I'm looking forward to most is becoming better than Alex while he's laid up on bed rest. I think that's gonna make me very happy in the next coming season. I think riding with Jacob and his new bike, we've both got new bikes this year. I think it's gonna be great having him along, and yeah, hopefully getting some good shots out of it. And I'm sure you have plenty of clips of me not making it.
The first one that comes to mind on like plenty of tries is the parking it vertically on there.
On the tree?
Yeah, the bike just like hanging there. I was like, How does it stay there?
I know.